ಇದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಡ್ರು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಗುರು. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath vlog. This is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath. Welcome to a new video. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. And please do support me by hitting that hype button under the video. And yes, today's video is Happy Dhanteras, Happy Diwali to everybody. May the festival of lights bring you lots of joy and fun. This is a sad Diwali for us. My father left us all of a sudden. We don't have my father with us. We miss him very much. And there's not even a single day where we not miss him. We miss him a lot. And on festival days, it's very hard because you remember your loved ones the most on days of festival. My father was a very jovial person, very happy person. And he used to be the most excited on festivals. So when festivals come, we remember him the most, and we all feel very sad. So yeah, so we're not celebrating Diwali as is today, this year. So today is Dhanteras, and Dhanteras is meant for gold shopping, and Mahalakshmi, Devi Lakshmi, Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped today. So today is generally people buy gold, and today we are planning to go outside and buy gold. So we had some cash which we got for baby's naming ceremony. So we thought, we'll buy gold out of it because gold is crazily rising, and 1 gram costs 12,000 rupees. So today was just the day, auspicious day. We thought we were planning to buy gold from long time. It just delayed, and today is Dhanteras, so we thought it's a good day to buy, auspicious day to buy gold. So we're going out today, and I haven't eaten also. It's evening. Let's see if we can eat something outside. It's drizzling in Udupi.
Parking na kahi.
Pai Tiffin customers only. So yeah, we came to Pai Tiffins, which has opened their second branch here in Udupi. We generally eat in New Shanti Sagar, which is near Geetanjali Silks. But this time we thought, let's try this Pai Tiffins. This is having a huge parking space, and we were having a car that day. The restaurant looked good. यहाँ एक नमने बैंगलोर दर्शिनी सीखेला पड़ा. I am getting Bangalore Darshini vibes. That is AC room also they have, and here they have dining also. It's
So entry naate.
Oh yeah, it's huge dude. That's AC room side. Yeah, there's parking here. That's a big thing. Evening time, 30 in the evening, we have come here for snacks. Their menu had Surnalli, which is a Konkani Amchigele dish, and lots of Udupi specific cuisine, local Udupi cuisine that you should definitely try. Masala dosa is 70 rupees. Dosa was 70 rupees, looked reasonable, and then they had so many other variety of combos of noodles and all of that, and thali, and then chaats. So we thought, let's order one dosa and some chaats. Look at the shape of the glass. I was mesmerized by it. This was a different kind of a shape, and also a steel glass which looked beautiful. I ordered ghee roast masala dosa and papdi chaat, and maybe if there is place in the stomach, we'll order vada pav. Wanted to order kachori, but then it is looking very oily. So kachori I don't want to order. It looks very oily. And the moment of truth is here. The ghee roast masala dosa is here. It's just roasted in ghee. There is no ghee roast like paneer ghee roast, mushroom ghee roast kind of a thing in that. घी सिगारने आता है वाला वाला The dosa was amazing. Now let's try the masala of the dosa and see how's the taste. Nice. ಎಂಬತ್ತು ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ 80 rupees and this is beautiful looking dahi papadi chaat. Looks very beautiful though. This is papdi chaat. It's not dahi papdi chaat, but there's dahi in it anyways. How is dahi papdi chaat? Sorry, papdi chaat. Is it like the one you used to eat before? Did you get the same vibe? Oh wow, overacting, ಇದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಡ್ರು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಗುರುಜೀಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಓಹೋ ಹೋ ಬೊಂಬಾಟ್ ಭೋಜನ ಓಹೋ ಹೋ With all the hype that Guruji gave, I thought the dahi papdi chaat would be amazing. Papdi feels raw, dude. Papri's taste is raw. It's not cooked properly, feels like. Hey, and the papdi kaiyate first of all. The papdi tasted raw, and on top of that, there were very few papdis in it. It's only dahi and masala. Papdi is not at all there. It's not good. I won't recommend this. And papdi is also uncooked. Guruji ordered coffee, and I thought let's order some juice. You get all this Konkani special. Avalaki, Sherry, coconut. Overpriced milkshakes. Okay, 100 rupees for juice and milkshake makes no sense. The chaat was horribly bad. Dosa was good. You can try dosas here. Papdi chaat was bad. I don't suggest chaats here, I think. I thought to order milkshake, but 100 rupees for milkshake didn't make sense. Any juice, any milkshake, everything was 100 rupees. So I ordered this hot badam milk. This is 35 rupees. This is at least okay. Coffee is 25 rupees. My husband Guruji doesn't like badam milk hot or cold. He says it's just sugar. And that's the bill. Ghee roast masala dosa was 80. Papdi chaat was 70. It started to rain so heavily. I can barely hear my own voice. Such heavy rain. Oh my god. On Deepavali today. It's crazily raining here in Udupi on Deepavali. It's Dhanteras today and it's raining crazily. Wow. And that was impromptu vlog that we shot in Pai Tiffins. We had come to buy something else and then we happened to, because I was hungry, I did not eat anything in the evening. We ended up going to Pai Tiffins. And that's how we ended up making a vlog there. And it wasn't good, honestly. It was not at all good. Dosa was good, coffee was good, hot badam milk was good. Chaats were looking bad. The dahi papdi chaat was bad. And kachori was looking very oily. Dokla was also not looking good. They had kept things to there outside so I could see. And somebody else had ordered Irulli Bhaje that looked very oily. It was not looking good. This one is near Abharan, opposite New Shanti Sagar, no? That near Geetanjali Silks. That Pai Tiffins we had gone to. So if you're going there, you can order South Indian stuff. But chaat items, I did not like it in the evening. And there's traffic jam here in Udupi. Can you believe it?
Yeah, Udupi is making sure that you're not missing Bangalore.
Bangalore traffic, you mean? Now, if I make this guy wait in this traffic for some more time, no, Guruji will say, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲು ಹೋಯ್ತು ನಂಗೆ ಕಾಲು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಲು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಮೆಝಾನಿಂದ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದಂತೆರಸ್ ಟುಡೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಸೇ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ರೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 12,000 rupees for 1 gram. I don't know what gold has skyrocketed in like last 2-3 months. It's 12,000 something for 1 gram of gold. So we buy gold from Krishna Jewelry Mart, that is Badri Patmam. Krishna Jewelry Mart here in Udupi near Krishna Temple. So they are our family friends. This is Krishna Temple surroundings and this is the shop. My anklet, that is Gejje, was broken, so I thought let's see some anklets first. And I started seeing beautiful designs and variety to choose from. Isn't this? This was kind of wali types, and then this was hanging. And with variety comes confusion. I was confused which one to buy now. I wore this creeper wali kind of design on the feet and it looked beautiful. It looks like your leg is full with anklet. And then after that, I tried this design which had a lot of jhumka kind of on the anklet. This also was looking nice. And then this was another simple designed anklet. I was liking simple designed anklets more, but then again I was also tempted by that initial wali chained kind of anklet also. And after that I tried this anklet. This was also very beautiful. It looked very pretty. Oh, now let me know in the comments which anklet did you like out of the 4 anklets I tried. Which would you have chosen? Come tell me in the comments. And these are the owners of the shop, the Butt brothers. And we bought 2 gold coins. So here is 1 gram, 2 grams of gold coin. Here there are 2 coins in that plastic cover. And these are the anklets which we bought, which we were finalizing on. So I was still confused whether to buy a simple one or the designed one. I was confused with 2 anklets, one the designed one and one the simple one. But mom was kind enough, he told me take both of them home, both the anklets home, decide with your family and then come to pay for the one and return the other one. 24,617 was the cost that for 1.95 grams of gold. He showed us somebody else's order. This was very beautiful necklace. I really liked it. And this were some other necklaces that they had in their shop because I was looking to buy something in this, some small necklace kind of. So these were the ones, these were the options he was showing me. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Happy Diwali, happy Dhanteras. May God give you all the happiness and blessings. Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe and hype the video and tell me which anklet did you like in the comment section. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.